If you've ever tried to lose weight and failed, I need you to hear this. It's not your fault. You've been lied to. The fitness industry, influencers, diet companies, they've all overcomplicated something that should be incredibly simple. Why? Because simple doesn't sell. Complicated sells meal plans, supplements, programs, and memberships. But today, I'm going to share the one method that actually works. And it's so stupidly simple, you're going to wonder why nobody ever told you this before. Here's what usually happens when someone decides to lose weight. They go all in. They throw out all their food, join a gym, buy new workout clothes, download 3 different apps, and commit to this completely new lifestyle starting Monday. And for the first week, maybe 2 weeks, they're crushing it. They feel amazing. They're motivated. But then real life happens. Work gets busy. Friends invite them out. They're tired. They're hungry. And suddenly, that extreme diet they're on feels like torture. They can't sustain it. They cheat once, feel guilty, and then think, screw it. I already ruined it. And they quit entirely. Here's the truth. You didn't fail. The method failed you. Because any weight loss approach that requires you to completely change your entire life isn't sustainable. And if it's not sustainable, it doesn't work, period. So here's what actually works. And I promise you, this is going to sound too simple to be true, but stay with me. Weight loss comes down to one thing: calories in versus calories out. That's it. That's the secret. If you burn more calories than you consume, you lose weight. It's not sexy, but it's science. Now, here's where everyone screws this up. They think that means they need to eat 1,200 calories, meal prep chicken and broccoli 5 times a week, wake up at 5 a.m. for cardio, hit the gym 6 days a week, do HIIT training, cut out all sugar, eliminate carbs after 6 p.m., drink a gallon of water daily, take fat burner supplements, do intermittent fasting, track every single macro, weigh every portion on a food scale, avoid eating out with friends, say no to birthday cake, skip happy hours, do meal replacements, follow a strict meal plan, never eat bread again, give up pizza forever, and basically suffer through every single day. No. Here's my method, the only method you'll ever need. Step 1. Keep living your exact same life. Keep eating the same foods you love. Keep your same routine. Step 2. Look at what you eat and drink in a typical day. Just observe it. Don't change anything yet. Step 3. Find one small thing, and I mean small, that you can cut out or reduce. That second can of soda? Cut one. Your afternoon yogurt? Skip it. That handful of chips while making dinner? Don't grab it. The cream and sugar in your coffee? Use a little less. We're talking about cutting maybe 100 to 200 calories. That's it. Now here's the magic. You keep everything else exactly the same. You're not suffering, you're not depriving yourself, you barely even notice the difference. But your body notices because you've just tipped the scale in the other direction. Over time, weeks, months, those small cuts compound. The weight starts coming off slowly, steadily, without you even really trying. And because you haven't changed your entire life, you can actually keep this up forever. This works because it's sustainable. You're not relying on motivation or willpower. You're just making one tiny adjustment to your normal routine. Let me show you something. This right here, this is exactly how your body works. On one side, you have calories in, everything you eat and drink. On the other side, you have calories out, everything your body burns just existing plus any movement you do. Right now, if your weight isn't changing, these two sides are perfectly balanced. You're at your maintenance point. Your body's in equilibrium. Most people are sitting right at this balance point without even realizing it. You eat roughly the same amount, you weigh roughly the same, week after week, month after month. Now, here's the beautiful part. You don't need to tip this scale dramatically to lose weight. You just need to tip it slightly. Cut just 200 calories per day, that one soda, that afternoon snack, and suddenly the scale tips. Calories out is now slightly more than calories in. And here's the crazy part. Within a few days, you'll even forget you were eating or drinking that thing you cut. It just becomes your new normal. You don't miss it, you don't feel deprived, but the weight, it keeps coming off. All from cutting out one soda or one snack. Compare that to the person who goes on an extreme diet, loses 10 pounds in a month, then gains it all back plus more because they couldn't sustain it. Who's actually winning here? Now, some of you are thinking, but what about nutrition? What about exercise? What about metabolism? Listen, I'm not saying those things don't matter. They do. But here's what I am saying. If you can't even master the basics, eating slightly less than you burn, none of that other stuff matters anyway. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. You can eat the healthiest foods in the world and still gain weight if you eat too much of them. Start here, master this. Then you can optimize the other stuff. But for 90% of people, this alone will get you the results you want. So here's your challenge. Right now, today, pick one small thing you're going to cut. Not tomorrow, not Monday, today. And then just keep doing that. In the comments, tell me what you're cutting. One soda, your afternoon snack, the extra serving at dinner. And if this video helps you realize that losing weight doesn't have to be complicated, hit that like button and subscribe because I'm going to keep sharing real, no BS advice that actually works. But here's what I really want from you. Drop a comment right now telling me what one small thing you're cutting starting today. One soda, your afternoon yogurt, that extra slice of bread. Write it down. And then, this is important, I want you to come back to this video every month and reply to your own comment with an update. Tell us how it's going. Tell us if you've lost weight. Show everyone that this actually works. Because when people see real results from real people doing something this simple, that's when they'll finally believe that losing weight doesn't have to be this complicated nightmare everyone makes it out to be. Thanks for watching. But before you go, let me tell you what's going to happen in the next few weeks. You're going to see some other fitness video pop up. Someone's going to tell you about their new workout program or their special meal plan or some supplement that melts fat. And for a second, you're going to think, maybe I should try that instead. Don't, because here's what I know. That person selling you the complicated solution, they need you to fail. They need you to think it's hard. Because if you realize it's this simple, you'll never buy their program, their pills, their coaching. But you're smarter than that. You don't need their overpriced programs or magic pills. You've got everything you need right now. One small cut. That's it. So stick with it, keep it simple, and watch what happens. Now, go make that one small cut and start tipping the scale in your favor. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.